Yo, welcome to my channel. Today we got something stupid planned for you. We're going to use Fix-A-Flat to see if we can clean these headlights. Have never been done. We're going to see if it works or don't work. It's stupid. We're bored. After 4th of July, nothing to do. Let's see if it works or not. Fix-A-Flat. So far, so good. I don't see any damage being made to the chrome or the paint. I'm not going to let it sit here too long. I believe it's about time for me to wipe this off and see what damage I did or what good I did. What? 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 Are you kidding me? It didn't get all of it off, but I think it got, if I'd have left it on a little longer, it actually got the oxidation off. Are you kidding? Clean, little oxidation right here. Cleaned up there. Are you kidding? Fix-A-Flat.